Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be showing you how to make a super simple doner kebab. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the doner kebab. You will need 500 grams of medium ground beef, 1 large onion, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of milk. These are the ingredients for the cucumber and yogurt dip. You will need 1 large cucumber, about 2 cups of thick yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of dill. And this is how your doner kebab should look like. Serve it on a pita bread, add some onions and tomatoes, and with some cucumber yogurt dip, and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!